गुड इवनिंग ऑल फ्रेंड्स आशा करी तुम्हारा भालो आछो। अच्छा आज के कन्वर्सेशनটা কি হবে ইংরেজিতে না বাংলাতে? আচ্ছা বাংলা ইংরেজিতেই হোক ओके। गुड इवनिंग all are fine and today I will make one video on exposure triangle. Exposure triangle means shutter speed, aperture and ISO. Actually we make photography, videography, not photography. We make videography for our YouTube channel, but we have no knowledge on photography. Actually clicking on the DSLR does not introduce good photos, indoor photos where there is low light and the environment is darky and the low light environment. Okay, so we have submitted our query. That query was that my photos, some photos, not all photos, some photos are darky and not bright compared to other photographers in indoor, only indoor, not outdoor. Many of the friends had replied in the group. I will make a video on this soon, and the main point is that my camera light or aperture, ISO and shutter speed are not set. That is set without my knowledge. Okay, I have no previous knowledge on exposure triangle. So the friends has commented to learn on exposure triangle. I will learn soon, and I will learn soon, not I will learn soon. I am learning now, and hope I will get recover of my queries. So I will post one video soon on exposure triangle. Okay, তো আর কি বলবো, আর তো কিছু বলার নেই আপাতত। তো ঠিক আছে, চলো টাটা।